Drop it.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Amir Aziz bin Khairul Nizam and I'm from Class B. My topic for today is application of geometry in real life. Now I will show to you about a pyramid. Pyramid is a structure whose outer surface are triangular and converge to a single step at the top, making the shape roughly a pyramid in the geometry sense. The base of a pyramid can be trilateral, quadrilateral, or of any polygon shape. As such, a pyramid has at least 3 outer triangular surfaces. The square pyramid with a square base and 4 triangular outer surface is a common version. Let's dive in. The Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure in the world for more than 3,800 years. It is estimated to weigh approximately 6 million tons and consists of 2.3 million blocks of limestone and granite, some weighing as much as 80 tons. It was originally covered by limestone casing stone that formed a smooth outer surface. It is thought that at its construction, the Great Pyramid of Giza was originally 146.6 meters tall, but with the removal of its original casing, its present height is 137 meters. The length of the side at the base are difficult to reconstruct, given the absence of the casing, but recent analysis put them in a range between 230.26 meter and 234.44 meter. The volume including internal hydraulic is roughly about 2 million cubic meter. Hi, alright, now I will show you how to find the surface area and volume of a pyramid. Alright, you can see this is pyramid. If square base is 755.8 feet and slant height is 612.02 feet and the height is 481.4 feet. Right. First, we need to find area of base, which is equal to with substitute with length. Alright, the width and length is 755.8. 755.8 substitute with 755.8 and the answer is 571,233.64 feet square. Right, this is feet. This is feet. Next, we need to find area of triangle. Area of 4 triangle, which is in pyramid have 4 triangle. Okay, the formula of a triangle is 1/2 base substitute with head. This is 4 triangles, so 4. So 4 substitute with 1/2. Base is 755.8. 755.8 and height is 481.4. 481.4 and the answer is 925,114.32 feet square. Alright, and then we need to find the total surface area of a pyramid. We need to total to this. Alright, 571,233.64 plus 925,114.32 and equal to 14,986,347.96 feet square. Okay, now I will show you how to find volume of a pyramid. The formula is 1/3 base height. 1/3, the base is this 571 233.64. Substitute with height. Height is this 481.4. No, 4. Okay. And the answer is 916,395.8.1. Okay. You also can use your calculator to find the answer if I'm wrong. With sticker.
Hi, my name is Noakila Mashita binti Muhammad Khair. I am going to introduce you about application of geometry for Dome of the Rock. Let's move to the topic.
The Dome of the Rock is an Islamic shrine located on the Temple Mount in the old city of Jerusalem. It is considered to be one of the oldest and finest examples of Byzantine and emerging Islamic architecture. The shrine was built over a rock considered sacred by both Muslims and Jews. The Prophet Muhammad is believed to have ascended to heaven from the site, while Jewish tradition, Abraham is believed to have prepared to sacrifice his son Isaac on the site. An inscription established the date of completion of Dome of the Rock as 691 to 692, having been built by the order of Umayyad Khalid Abdul al-Malik on the site of Herod Temple, which was destroyed during the Roman siege of Jerusalem in 70th centuries. The Byzantine Christian model of church and martyrdoms was followed by the overall form of the architectural dome as well as the decorative mosaic. This is combined with Quranic inscriptions that adorn the building, promoting the virtues of Islam over Christianity. Characteristic properties. The dome, which is approximately 65 feet 20 meters in diameter and is mounted on elevated drum, rises above a circle of 60 piers and columns. The outer wall also forms an octagon, with each of the 8 sides being approximately 60 feet 80 meters wide and 60 feet 11 meters high. Both the dome and the exterior walls contain many windows. The size of the building. The structure of Dome of the Rock is basically octagonal. The size of this building is 35 meters. The shape involved. Dome of the Rock is a combination of hemisphere, cylinder, and octagon. It is capped at its center by a dome, which is a hemisphere, mounted on an elevated circular drum shape of a cylinder, and the outer walls are orthogonal. Calculation of area. Area of hemisphere. The formula is 3 pi r square. The diameter is 20 meters. To get radius, we need to divide the diameter by 2 and the radius is 10 meters. The answer we will get is 942.48 meters square. Area of cylinder. The formula is 2 pi r h. The radius is 10 meters and the height is 5 meters. The answer we will get is 314.16 meters square. Area of octagon. The formula is 1 over 2 nr square sin 360 over n plus 8 multiplied by ph. The n is 8, the radius is 15 meters, the p is 18 meters, the height is 11 meters. The answer we will get is 2220.4 meters square. Total for area is 3447.04 meters square. The calculation of volume. Volume of hemisphere. The formula is 4 over 3 pi r cube. The radius is 10 meters and the answer we will get is 4288.79 meter cube. Volume of cylinder. The formula is pi r square h. The radius is 10 meter and the height is 5 meter. The answer we will get is 1570.8 meters cube. The volume of octagon. The formula is 1 over 2 nr square sin 360 over n multiplied by h. N is 8, the radius is 15 meters and the height is 11 meters. The answer we will get is 7000.36 meter cube. The total volume is 12,859.95 meter cube.
Hi, my name is Nuzulaifa Petumazaini and now I will explain a little bit about soccer ball. After that, I will show you how to calculate the shape that involved in it. It is a simple calculation and I bet that you all will definitely know how to solve it. Okay, so now let's move on to the topic. Soccer ball. The history of soccer ball. In the year 1863, the first specification for footballs were laid down by the Football Association. Previous to this, footballs were made out of inflated animal leather, with later leather coverings to help footballs maintain their shapes. In 1872, the specification were revised, and these rules have been left essentially unchanged as defined by the International Football Association Board. Difference in footballs created since this rule came into effect have been to do with the material used in their creation. Footballs have gone through a dramatic change over time. During medieval times, balls were normally made from an outer shell of leather filled with cork shavings. Another method of creating a ball was using animal bladders for the inside of the ball, making it inflatable. However, these two styles of creating footballs made it easy for the ball to puncture and were inadequate for kicking. It was not until the 19th century that footballs developed into what a football looks like today. The characteristic of soccer ball. Size and weight. The ball is spherical. Regulation size and weight for a soccer ball is a circumference of 68 to 70 cm and a weight of between 410 to 450 grams. Properties. An official ball must have a mass of 0.396 plus or minus 0.045 kg, a circumference of 0.685 plus or minus 0.071 meter, and an internal pressure of 60.6 plus or minus 11.1 kilopascal. The auto diameter of the football and futsal balls was 18.10 plus or minus 0.04 and 17.30 plus or minus 0.03 cm respectively. Okay, so now we move on to shape involved on the ball. Have you ever wondered how many shapes a soccer ball has on it? It has 12 pentagons, which is 5-sided shapes, and 20 hexagons, which is 6-sided shapes. Each pentagon, usually black, has 5 white hexagons around it. Area and volume calculation. Area of polygon. It has two formulas, which the first one is area equal to 1/2 AP, which A represent upper term, P represent perimeter, and the second formula is area equal 1/2 NR square sin 360 degree per n, which n represent number of sides and R of course represent radius. Okay, so for the area of pentagon, let's say upper term and perimeter of each pentagons are 1.5 cm and 15 cm respectively, and you substitute all of those into first formula and you can get 11.25 cm square. Okay, so for area of hexagon, let's say upper term and perimeter of each hexagons are 2 cm and 24 cm respectively, and you substitute and you can get 24 cm square. After that, for the area of pentagon, you multiply with the number of pentagons on the balls, which is 12. And then, for the area of hexagon, you multiply with the number of hexagons on the ball, which is 20. And then you total up, and you can get 615 cm square. Finally, for volume calculation, I use formula volume of sphere because, of course, the ball is spherical, and you can use this formula, which is volume equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Let's say radius of the ball is 6 cm and you substitute and you can get 904.7787 cm cube. That's all. It's easy, right? We gone up in a place full of application of geometry. Every single day, you can find and witnessing all kinds of shapes and patterns that are beyond captivating and classy. The most important example of geometry in everyday life is formed by the nature surrounding humans. If you look closely, you might find different geometrical shapes and patterns in leaves, flowers, terms, roots, barks, and so on. Geometry do not fail even a single chance to play a pivotal role in the daily life of humans. And we as a human should cherish the existence of the application of geometry in our living life, and our life may not be complete without it.